Hey, welcome back to my channel. Mophorn twin/dual engine console remote control 8M0041426. Simultaneous dual engine, single lever control dual control. Furnished with single trim switch in handle for simultaneous. Fits all current Mercury Mariner, suit for all current Mercury Mariner outboards and higher utilizing Mercury style cables with power trim. Low corrosion cover handle uses with Quicksilver Gen 2 cables. Installation security guidance: all installations require an ignition choke assembly and throttle shift cables to complete the installation. Warm-up button uses Teleflex CC189 CCX189 cables or Mercury, and push button for neutral engine warm-up. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.